Are you tired of paying all your profits to underpowered but overpriced site builders? It is time to put an end to that, because today you will have the best way to build your business sites for a fraction of the cost. Build landing pages, opt-in pages, squeeze pages, create awesome lead pages, and deliver your lead magnets. Make fantastic looking sales pages and integrate with sales platform or payment gateway of your choice. Design wonderful funnels and deliver your content to your buyers seamlessly in easy-to-set-up memberships. Now, at the same time, keep a hawk's eye on your products, your sales, and find out exactly what's working for your business. Yes, all this and more is possible with the most powerful business site builder ever invented, CloudFunnels. CloudFunnels is the perfect business site builder designed to put your business ahead of the competition. So if you want a piece of the blazing growth in online business without giving away all of your profits to greedy gurus, keep watching, because what we show you here will blow your mind. If you have been paying or ever considered paying $97 or $297, $397, or even more every month for a funnel or site builder, I feel your pain. Even more so because all you are paying for is the hype and a fee to worship the guru. It is time to move on to something better, something that will grow your business faster and cost less. It's time to move on to CloudFunnels. Now, CloudFunnels has everything that those expensive funnel builders are missing. A powerful WYSIWYG page designer. Check. One-click system to port over your funnels from expensive alternatives. Check. Inbuilt email marketing. Yup. Check. Support for multiple funnels on one domain. Check. Search engine optimization. Check that off too. Finally, protection against funnel thieves. Check, check, check. CloudFunnels also gives you support for more payment gateways, carts, and affiliate platforms than any alternative. I'm talking about 10 times more. You will find the leading international payment gateways and even the leading gateway in your own country or region. You also get support for more autoresponders and CRMs than the competition, so that you can take your data anywhere and bring it from anywhere without a worry. You also get full compliance for GDPR. Be it consent or data requests, CloudFunnels can handle anything. You get A/B split testing, powerful caching that delivers your pages at lightning speed, and a very powerful administration panel that lets you create sub-user accounts, so you can have your VA fire off your emails, but they don't have the rights to download your customers' list. Yeah, that's included. We also built dozens of plugins for CloudFunnels, all the cool stuff that others were charging you hundreds of dollars for a month. Exit Pop, surveys, quiz plugin, conversion proof, spin rewards, reviews. We have them all and more. Our team creates awesome plugins all the time, and you get them all free from the CloudFunnels marketplace. No one has anything that comes even remotely close to this. But how easy is this to use, you ask? Well, the answer is simple. Easier than anything you have ever seen. With our one-click install, you could do everything from booking a domain to installing CloudFunnels on it. Point and click easy. No more pesky DNS setup to deal with. In short, it's just the thing your business needs to take full advantage of the online marketing opportunity while keeping all your profits. Show your business some love. Upgrade it to CloudFunnels today. Save hundreds of dollars and explode your online marketing. You've come to us at the perfect time, because CloudFunnels is on sale and you could grab the best deal on it if you act right now. That's not all. Today, we are also giving away a multi-site license and commercial rights. That's right. That's included. Use CloudFunnels not just to build amazing funnels and sites for your own business, but you can also use it for your clients. The commercial license you'll get today authorizes you to build sites and funnels for others without paying any licensing fee to us. You know, funnel building is hot, and every business wants a funnel to grow their profits. Be the person that brings business sites and funnels to them, and create a powerful new recurring revenue stream for yourself. Don't wait any longer. The offer will not get any better than this. You are protected with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like the amazing difference that CloudFunnels makes to your business growth, just tell us within 30 days and we will refund all of your money. Don't keep your dreams waiting. Get the most powerful funnel and site builder right now. Click on the button below and get instant access to your CloudFunnels.